Welcome back to Automoto Network. Today we dive into the 2024 Volvo XC90, a midsize luxury SUV that has just earned the prestigious 2024 Top Safety Pick Plus Award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. Let's see what makes this SUV a top contender in automotive safety. The IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus Award is no small feat. To earn this recognition, a vehicle must excel in a series of rigorous crash test evaluations. The 2024 Volvo XC90 has done just that, proving its mettle in the new and tougher moderate overlap test, small overlap front and updated side tests, pedestrian front crash prevention, and headlight assessments. One of the standout tests is the updated moderate overlap test, which emphasizes rear seat safety by simulating a frontal offset crash between two vehicles at just under 40 miles per hour. The XC90's solid structural performance and excellent passenger protection for the driver shone through in these evaluations. Mike Cotton, head of USA and Canada at Volvo Cars. Safety is at the core of everything we do at Volvo Cars. Our long-standing commitment to safety drives us to constantly raise safety levels. The Volvo XC90 reflects our safety legacy, and we are proud it was recognized by the IIHS, reinforcing our shared dedication to reducing traffic-related deaths and injuries. In its thorough evaluation, the IIHS concluded that the XC90 offers solid structural performance in the updated moderate overlap test, excellent passenger protection for the driver, good ratings in the small overlap front and updated side tests, effective prevention of injuries frequently seen in rear seat occupants. But safety isn't the only highlight of the XC90. This award-winning SUV offers 6 or 7 seats with premium comfort for all passengers. Standard safety features include forward collision warnings, automated emergency braking, lane keeping aid, and lane departure warning. The 2024 Volvo XC90 combines luxury with peace of mind. Its advanced safety features work seamlessly to keep you and your loved ones protected, no matter where your journey takes you. The 2024 Volvo XC90 isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a testament to Volvo's unwavering commitment to safety. If you're looking for a vehicle that prioritizes your well-being while offering premium comfort and style, the XC90 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Automoto Network. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive news. See you next time.